Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted Telegram messages, chats, pictures and videos. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open the Telegram application. And once you open that, you simply need to click on three bars in the top left and go into the saved messages, and then you need to go into the cloud storage. So open the file manager of your smartphone and go into the internal storage and search here Telegram, and here you can find images, videos, and but if you are unable to find here, you simply need to open any browser and search here Telegram support. So let me search here Telegram support. Okay, and here you need to mention to the Telegram team that you have an issue, and they will check that and help you recover your photos, videos and chats. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.